Hi everyone, here's a quick tip for you when using PowerMill and wanting to select multiple surfaces from a complex surface model such as this. Now in the past, you may have been used to using the single selection method with the default selection option. You can even collect multiple surfaces if you hold down Shift and click one surface at a time. Now this can be time consuming, so there's another option in PowerMill. If you go to your View toolbar, click on the selection, select by dragging cursor. Now using this, I can hold down my left mouse button and drag my mouse pointer over any of the surfaces that I want to collect. Now if I've overchosen and I maybe want to take some of those surfaces away from my selection, I can hold down Control and drag my cursor over the surfaces that I no longer want. However, if I want to continue selecting, I can hold down Shift and drag my mouse over the surfaces that I do want to collect. Now with the surfaces that I have collected, I can do things like create a boundary with the selected surfaces. Or I can do things like change the color of the selected surfaces. I can also do other things like create certain types of surfacing toolpaths with my selected surfaces. And when I want to go back to my default option for selection, I can select it from my View toolbar. And that's how you can select multiple surfaces using the Select by Dragging Cursor option in PowerMill. Make sure to follow us for daily tips.